Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel, and this is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. I've just uploaded the monthly general reading, so please go and check that out if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your readings in advance and you're prepared as to what is to come and you can handle it accordingly. If you want to know more about personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions and you want to book one, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you out more information. So your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will start with your career first. You've got the card of Initiate and Fortitude. I do see that some sort of positive news, positive offers, positive proposals are coming your way when it comes to your work. It can be your job or business, like uh, job opportunities are coming, or business partnership proposals are coming, or some sort of expansion is coming your way, right? I do see that if you are thinking of whether to go ahead and make that move or not, I want to go for higher studies, or I want to change my job, I want to switch careers or start something new in my business, or make a new deal, or attract a more client, launch a new product or service, then please go ahead. Second week is a great time for you. I do see you will have to require a lot of courage to move ahead, but do move ahead. It is a card of you marching ahead with full force in whatever direction you have, and a lot of success coming your way thanks to that. A lot of power, a lot of authority will be coming your way. So whatever opportunity is coming your way in the second week, do grab it without thinking, without wasting your time. And if you want to start something new, jump into it without wasting your time, because this is going to turn out very good for you. Lot of power, lot of force, lot of authority is coming your way. You will have that kind of commanding presence where people will respect you as well. I do see there is some sort of strength which is required from your side, some sort of courage which is required from your side. So if you are internally strong, your willpower is strong, you have that courage. Even if you're thinking like, I don't know how to do this, this is too new for me, just jump into it and then learn it along the way. Okay. So beautiful cards for you. Go ahead. If that is what you were waiting for a sign, then this is for you. Okay. Go ahead. Do it. Okay. And don't worry about anything else. So now let's talk about your personal life. You've got the Neophyte and the Hierophant. In your love life, in your personal relationships, probably you're overthinking a lot, especially those people who are single or who are, also this goes for people who are divorced or widows, right? Because a lot of people message me, ma'am, we are widows or we are divorced. What should you advise us? You are as good as single right now because you have nobody in your life, right? Situationship people. Also people in relationship, you're worried about your marriage, right? Even if you're married, this equally applies to you. So especially to those people who are not married and other in any other situation, I do feel that you sometimes feel, I don't know what's going to happen with my future. I don't know if I'm ever going to get married. I don't know if I'm ever going to get the right partner or not. And if your marriage is already fixed, you're worried about that also, that how is it going to turn out? Okay. Please stop overthinking. Please stop worrying, because I do see you stressing about it a lot. You are going to get married. Yes, first of all, that. Second, you could be getting married in the second week itself, doing some sort of traditional ceremony, fixing the relationship, getting into a relationship, doing a roka engagement, if not marriage. But yes, something is finalizing for you. I also see a lot of you will be finalizing a home, maybe buying a new home, a land, doing some bhumi pujan, some sort of ceremony around it, buying a new car. I do see personal life moving forward. So all those, if you had relationship problems, marriage problems, those will go away, right? I do see that you will be inclined towards more of traditional ceremonies together. Maybe you're attending the ceremonies together. And if you were facing problems, like I said, that will go away, because the second week looks beautiful. So please give what is required from your side. Give your 100% in your relationships and see how beautifully your life transforms. Everything looks great. Nothing is bad this week. So do comment and claim the positive energies of this reading if you want to. Other than that, if you resonated with this reading, do like, share and subscribe my channel. This week is going to be brilliantly well for you guys. And if you still have any question in your mind which was not covered in this general reading, you can always book a personal reading with me. I do have two types of love reading: Oracle love reading for people in no contact, and Mystic love Red Rose Love Reading, which is a newly launched reading, whether you are in contact or no contact, but you have challenges, there are problems in your relationships, you want to understand the connection better, you can book that one. I do have two sorts of rituals available as well. So if you want to manifest a desire, or if you want to remove blockages from your life, very easy and budgeted ritual available which you can easily do. Other than that, I do have different packages if you want to go for it, rupees 800 only, and that includes a free remedy worth rupees 251. Okay, so there will be multiple questions that will be answered, very general questions which everyone asks. I've already fixed a package for you guys. So if you are looking for career related package, or if you're single, you want to understand what is the blockages, why am I still single, when is the partner coming, and if you're in love situation, in love with somebody, marriage, situationship, relationship, you can go for love package. Every package will have a free remedy and a multiple set of questions. Okay. Lastly, I do spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you or any of your friend and family is in need of guidance, need therapy, has been going through a very bad phase in their life, and they have nobody to share or open up because they're afraid that people will laugh at them, judge them or not understand them, you can always come to me. You can share your burdens with me. I will guide you. I will be your mentor. I'll be open to you. I'll be telling you exactly where you're right or wrong. And with the help of your angels, excuse me, I will also be giving you a free remedy as well to invite more positivity into your life and remove the negativity. Okay, I do have audio video call sessions available on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom Meet, and I have half an hour, 1 hour sessions available. I do have ultimate unlimited questions available for personal readings as well. So if you don't want a typed or audio recording reading, you can go for audio video calls as well. Check out the prices, check out the services. The services are mentioned in my description box and bio, and if you would like to know the prices or book anything, you can either check out my Instagram handle, and please also follow me there because you will get updated. You will be able to see a lot more stuff on my Instagram. So follow me there. The handle is the Moksha Tarot, or DM me to know about or to book any reading, or you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my channel. I would love to hear from you very soon. Take care and bye bye.